This is a final production unboxing of the Venezianico Arsenale in anthracite. With an added bonus, today I'll also share the never seen before brand new rubber strap, but we'll come back to it later. We will explore some close-up shots, peel off the stickers together, and take a look at that Geneva stripe dial in action. I'll also be trying the Arsenale on wrist, first with the bracelet, and then with the new strap. Just to be transparent, I received this watch in exchange for a review, but Venezianico knows I'm committed to staying honest with you, and they are fully supportive of that. There is a lot to cover, so take your time, let's enjoy this unboxing. And if you'd like to see my full review coming soon, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. As for papers, a brochure that explains the background behind the brand and their watches. Secondly, a warranty card that is properly stamped with a date and an actual stamp, and when you buy one of their watches you seem to get an invitation card as well. Looking at the finishing, we can see a combination of satin brushed surfaces and polished edges, with well-defined and sharp transitions. The polished edge transitions seamlessly from the case to the bracelet. Every mid-link has two polished edges as well, giving reflections as the watch turns. A butterfly clasp with one side folding over the other, having their logo etched on top, and the scenic view etched on the case back. And finally, to the reveal of the new strap. Coming in grey, matching that anthracite color of the dial. The strap is presented in a matte texture but glossy edges along the sides, seamlessly following the polished edges of the watch case. On the underside, it has their logo embossed within the air canal. It comes with solid end links, a milled clasp with etchings on the underside, and their logo etched on top as well. Staying consistent, the logo is also embossed on the upper side of the rubber, as well as their brand name being pressed in the retainers. Overall, it follows their design language, matching that of the watch and the bracelet. Talking about the bracelet, let's first admire the Geneva stripe dial before trying it on. And here is how it sits on my 7.1-inch wrist. Here is a quick view of the bezel knurling and the side profile of the case. And a wrist roll to get some reflections from all those polished edges. Now, here is how it looks on wrist with the new rubber strap. And a close-up look. For dimensions, we have 40 mm in diameter, 44.4 mm lug to lug, 8.9 mm thin. Bracelet starts at 25.5 mm and tapers down to 17 mm and 18 mm for the strap. It has a crown which is 6 mm. And here is the side profile with a rubber strap. This rubber strap is made out of fluoro rubber, which is also known as FKM. And here we're getting some light play with the dial. The Arsenale comes with a sapphire crystal that has clear AR coating on the underside. The watch comes equipped with a Miyota 9029, which is a premium movement from Citizen. It has a screw-down crown and a screw-in caseback, providing a total of 50 meters of water resistance, which is most likely due to the thinness of this watch. The rest of the watch is entirely made in 316L stainless steel. The links are held together by screws, so are both the strap and the bracelet to the watch case itself. If you have been watching so far, then I'm very interested in hearing what is it that you really want me to include in the full review. Also, what opinions have you formed so far about this watch? If you have been enjoying this video, feel free to give it a like and perhaps consider becoming part of the fam by subscribing to the channel. Now finally, I'll let you enjoy the watch.